In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lines in TradingView. Start by opening your chart. Any market and time frame will work. The process is the same whether you are reviewing a long-term trend or fine-tuning intraday levels. Make sure the chart is visible and you are at a zoom level where the specific swing highs, lows, or zones you want to connect are easy to see. A clean view makes your lines more accurate and easier to interpret later. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the trendline tool. It usually appears as a diagonal slash or angled line. Click it once to activate. This tells TradingView you are ready to draw a line on the chart. To draw, click once where you want the line to begin. Then drag your cursor to where you want it to end and release. Think about connecting meaningful points like recent pivots or areas of repeated reactions, so your lines describe real structure rather than random placement. If you need more precision, zoom in a bit before you set the endpoints. Small changes can shift a trend line meaningfully. For perfectly straight and clean angles, hold the Shift key as you draw. This snaps your line to specific, precise angles, making it easy to create truly horizontal levels for support or resistance. Clean vertical markers for time alignment or consistent diagonals when charting a trend channel. Keep holding Shift while dragging to maintain the snap. Then release when you are positioned exactly where you want after placing a line. You can fine-tune it. Click the line to reveal its endpoints, then click and drag either endpoint to adjust. Take your time aligning with the exact candles, wicks, or bodies you are targeting. If you are working on a dense section of price action, zooming in briefly can help you avoid misalignments. To customize the appearance, click the line to open the floating toolbar. From here, you can change the color, adjust the thickness, and switch the line style between solid, dashed, and other variations. Choose colors that stand out against your chart background. Use thicker lines for your most important levels, and consider dash styles for secondary or tentative lines. Consistent styling helps you read your chart at a glance without confusion. That's it. Thanks for watching.